Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics, Early Year Foundation Stage 1. Welcome, little learners. Let's embark on a fun journey of matching sounds and pictures. Look at the first letter. Can you find the pictures that begins with the letter G? Take your time and think. Great job. It's giraffe and girl. Now, let's move to the next letter. Which picture starts with the letter L? Well done. It's the light and lock. Keep up the good work. Now, find the pictures that starts with F. Take a moment. Fantastic. It's fish and fridge. Now, what about the letter O? Outstanding. It's the octopus and orange. You're doing wonderfully. Lastly, let's explore the last letter pictures. Can you spot the picture that begins with U? Think carefully. Unbelievable. It's the unicorn and umbrella. Now, for the letter D, what's your guess? Delightful. It's the doll and Dr. Wolf. Congratulations, young minds. You've mastered the art of matching sounds and pictures. Keep exploring and learning. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.